so sorry.
No, it's okay.
No, I got so caught up in the dancing and the rhythm and everything. I fantasized I was dancing with Chad.
No, it's okay. I was fantasizing too.
About Teresa. I mean, you love her as much as I love Chad.
Love will do it.
I'm sorry.
Oh, quit apologizing.
No, it's embarrassing.
No, don't be embarrassed. It's okay. I got caught up in it too.
Well, thanks for teaching me to dance.
Sure.
I'm gonna go find Chad.
One day you're gonna be kissing me for real, Whitney. I got a feeling that day's gonna come sooner than we think. Much sooner.